Who am I? Explain to me who I am. What does it mean to make the journey within oneself? Now you ask me, what is me? You ask for an explanation of who am I. When absolute existence is alluded to, people use the word I as a matter of expression. When reality has taken form through individuation, you refer to it in language with the word I. You and I are accidents of the essence of being, like openings in the covering of the lamp of being. Know all light as the same, whether of spirits or bodies, sometimes shining from the mirror, sometimes the lamp. You say the word I used in expressions is meant to indicate its source in spirit, but since you've adopted reason as your guide, you do not know yourself from your separate parts. Go, my friend, and understand yourself well, but don't mistake swelling for the fullness of health. This I of yours is actually above body and soul, since these two are parts of this I. The word I does not exclusively refer to humankind, that you could say it refers solely to the human spirit. Travel the path that leads beyond this universe. Leave this world and hide yourself within the self. From an imaginary script writing the word identity, two eyes will appear at the moment of vision. Nothing is left of the seeker nor of the path when these eyes are absorbed in the eye of reality. Being is heaven and phenomena are a hell. Your eye in between is the barzakh, the interface. When this veil of identity is lifted from before you, the laws of religion and its sects disappear. All the religious rules are because of your eye, since the latter is tied to the human body and spirit. When this eye of yours is no longer remaining, what place have the Kaaba, synagogue, or monastery? This separate eye is like a speck in your eye. When your eye is cleared, forms reveal the essence. The path of the seeker is no more than 2 steps, although it does have a number of risks. The first is to transcend the outer forms of identity. The second is to traverse this desert of existence. The one here is witnessed as ones and their sum, just as the essence of numbers is one. You are the comprehensiveness that is unity itself. You are the unity that has become multiplicity. The person who knows this road has abandoned self, and from partiality made the journey to the whole.